We are pleased to show you the 2021 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front, center, electronic messaging assistance with read function.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.